welcome back to another devlog. I've been trying to make these devlogs more weekly now, so this is my first attempt at that. During the week I've recorded bits and pieces, trying to get enough content for a 5-minute video. To help me do this, I've made a program that allows me to submit logs and easily access both OBS and Audacity. So far it's been super helpful. Because these clips were recorded at different times, the audio may be a little different. If the audio varies too much, I might just end up re-recording it. This will be easier though because my devlog logged all of my speech. So today I've optimized and reworked some player movement scripts and applied the third-person camera. I also set up the system that allows the player to ride the boat. Took a few goes, but I eventually got the player to rotate with the ship. So I have now set up and completed a stair climbing system, meaning the player can now easily traverse most of the ship. An issue though is the way I do it is by teleporting the player up the steps in increments, meaning they fly up the steps at great speed. I've come back today to fix up the stair climbing. It took a bit, but by using a position lerping system I can now control the speed in between each step smoothly. Skipping to the present, today I have finally finished adding the sailing and steering systems. I also ran into a bug, which I quickly fixed. It was causing the player to move relative to the boat's rotation. I am also working on the turning speed. Hopefully I can get it a bit easier to use. Along with this I want to add the system that allows the ship to go up and down. Hopefully that will be complete by next devlog. If you are interested in the game and you want to try out small versions I make public, I'll leave a link to my Discord in the description. They'll be listed under public pushes. I think I'm going to go for quantity over consistency for these devlogs, or they'll be a bit short, so if you don't see me post for a while, it's probably because I'm collecting footage. Thanks for watching, I'll see you next time.